In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unpublish GoDaddy website. If you need to take your site offline temporarily, this walkthrough will show you exactly how to do it without deleting anything. Unpublishing simply removes your site from public view. Your content, design, and domain stay in your account, and you can bring everything back later with a single click. Start by opening your web browser and going to Google. In the search bar, type GoDaddy and press Enter. Look for the official GoDaddy website in the results and click it to head over to their homepage. Once you're there, sign into your account. Use your usual login details, and if your account uses extra verification, complete that step so you can get to your dashboard. After you're signed in, look at the top right corner of the page. Click your profile name or your initials to open the account menu. From that menu, choose My Products. This takes you to a central place where all of your GoDaddy services are listed, including your website. On the My Products page, locate your website project in the list. When you see the site you want to take offline, click it to open its dashboard or editor. Give it a moment to load if needed. Once the editor is open, move your eyes to the top area of the screen. You should see the main site actions there. Click Unpublish. This is the control that turns your live site off, but it does not erase your work. A confirmation prompt will appear to make sure you intend to proceed. Read the message so you know what to expect, and then click Yes, Unpublish. That's it. Your site will go offline, usually within a short time. Visitors will no longer be able to access your pages, and search engines will stop serving the live version. Keep in mind, previously indexed or cached results may linger briefly, but the site itself won't be reachable. A couple of helpful notes as you wrap up. Unpublishing does not cancel your plan or your domain. Your content stays saved in your editor, so you can continue making updates privately. When you're ready to return your site to the web, just reopen the same project and publish again. If you manage multiple sites, repeat these same steps for each one you want to take offline. You now know how to unpublish your GoDaddy website quickly and safely, with zero loss of content. Thanks for watching, and take your time making any behind-the-scenes improvements before you bring your site back live.